Finally, let's take a look at the daily view. Like the weekly view, you'll see your master tasks list on the left-hand side. We'll cover task management in detail a little later, so for now, we'll focus on the daily planner itself. At the top, you can use the date picker or the previous, today, and next buttons to move between days. You'll also see the task priority legend showing low, medium, high, and urgent priorities. One of the best features of this planner is that everything is connected. Whether you add an appointment, event, or task from the yearly, monthly, weekly, or daily view, it automatically appears everywhere it belongs. You only have to enter something once, and your planner stays synchronized across every view. The daily view gives you two different ways to organize your day, by block and by hour. By block. The by block view organizes your day into morning, afternoon, and evening, making it perfect if you prefer planning by parts of the day instead of by specific times. Within each section, you'll see any appointments, events, recurring items, or tasks scheduled for that part of the day. If your plans change, simply drag and drop a task from one section to another. For example, if you plan to do something in the morning but decide to leave it until the afternoon or evening, simply drag it to the new time block and your planner will update automatically. You can also quickly add a task using the Quick Add field or the Add button within each time block. We'll cover task management in more detail later in the tutorial. On the right-hand side, you'll find the Coming Up Tomorrow section, giving you a preview of anything already scheduled for the following day. Below that is a Notes section where you can write reminders, ideas, or anything else you'd like to remember for today. By hour. If you prefer planning your day by specific times, simply switch to the by hour view. Appointments and events that have a scheduled time are automatically placed into their correct time slots throughout the day. Tasks that don't have a specific time appear at the bottom under Tasks for Today. From there, you can simply drag and drop them into whichever time slot you'd like to complete them. Because every view in the planner is connected, anything you schedule in the by hour view is automatically reflected in the by block view. For example, if you drag a task to 9 a.m., you'll also see it appear in the morning section when you switch back to the by block layout. Likewise, any appointments, events, or tasks you add or edit here are automatically reflected throughout the planner, including your weekly, monthly, and yearly views, so everything stays up to date without any extra work. You can also quickly add additional tasks using the field at the bottom of the page. Whether you prefer planning by morning, afternoon, and evening, or scheduling your day hour by hour, the daily view gives you the flexibility to organize your time in the way that works best for you, while keeping every part of your planner perfectly synchronized. Before we move on, one last feature I'd like to mention. If you have a bill that's due today or overdue, it will automatically appear at the top of both the by block and by hour views in the Bills Due Today section. It's a simple reminder that helps keep important payments visible while you're planning your day.